Welcome to my channel where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. The Igbo Socio-Cultural Organization or the Pan-Igbo Socio-Cultural Organization, Ohanaeze Ndigbo, is known to be an organization that seek and speak for the interests of Ndigbo in Nigeria and any other issue of national importance, but particularly as it concerns Ndigbo. Recently, the President General of Ohanaeze Ndigbo, apparently concerned about the political crisis in Rivers State, has called on the former governor of Rivers State and now Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja, Nyesom Wike, and Simi Fubara to sheathe their sword and make peace. And Ohanaeze also said that the solution to the crisis that only Fubara and Wike can sit down together and solve it. But they talk about the fact that they would like to talk to them and that they are their sons. Why I'm particularly concerned about this is because Ohanaeze is supposed to be speaking for Ndigbo or for Igbos. And the last time I checked, Nyesom Wike, in the interview he granted Dele Momodu on Instagram, and I think also on YouTube, and Dele Momodu, who was the Director General of Communication for Atiku Abubakar campaign organization, presidential campaign organization in the last election, and who is also a well-known media personality, the publisher of he's a publisher, okay, Ovation, the publisher of Ovation magazine and other media business that he does, asked Nyesom Wike pointedly, "Are you Igbo?" Nyesom Wike said that he is not Igbo, that he is Ikwere. Okay? So Nyesom Wike said he is not Igbo. So what is the business of Ohanaeze in reaching out to Nyesom Wike when he has said it by himself that he's not Igbo? And only recently, an Igbo businessman, Nicholas Okachukwu, alleged that Nyesom Wike demolished his property because Nicholas Okachukwu, is Igbo. And that Nicholas Okachukwu alleged that Nyesom Wike, was doing that, saying that how can Igbo man be given such a large expanse of land? Something like that. When Nicholas Okachukwu raised this issue, Ohanaeze kept mute. They didn't say anything. Because ordinarily, that thing that Nicholas Okachukwu said is an issue that is supposed to be investigated because it's a discriminatory statement. It is a statement of discrimination. It is a violation of the law in the sense that if it is true that you are saying that because Nicholas Okachukwu is Igbo, why should he be given such an expanse of land? So if Nicholas Okachukwu is from Hausa Fulani, it would have been okay for Nyesom Wike that he be given that such a large expanse of land. If Nicholas Okachukwu was a Yoruba, it would have been okay for him to be given such a land. If Nicholas Okachukwu is from Rivers, perhaps it will be okay with Nyesom Wike that he should be given such a land. Of course, there are so many issues about that land that I don't want to go into detail. But when Nicholas Okachukwu said this, Ohanaeze kept mute. They didn't say anything. They didn't try to at least make some noises, raise it as an issue, because that is how some of this marginalization starts. Yes, Uke has said it, allegedly said it. Tomorrow, some other person will do it. Maybe the next person that will do it will be from Bauchi. It could be the same person that will do it will be from Oshobo, who will become minister of FCT and say, why should an Igbo man be given 214 hectares of land? So these are the issues. So Ohanaeze kept mute on this matter. But they are now talking about reaching out to Nyesom Wike. And they are calling Nyesom Wike their son. And that is how Nyesom Wike will come and deceive them in years to come. After he has said that he's not Igbo. Tomorrow, when there's an opportunity for him perhaps to contest for president, you see Ohanaeze mobilizing support for him in the name of that he's our son. Ohanaeze should be circumspect in some of the things they do. They should be reaching out to getting more information, because maybe they are not aware that Nyesom Wike has denied that he's not Igbo. So what if Nyesom Wike is not Igbo? Why should Ohanaeze be bothered about him and his fight with his godfather, his godson? I know that Simi Fubara is a John, but I have seen him speak some of the clearest Igbo that anybody can think about. But he's from Opobo. Some people are saying he's Igbo, but that's not even where I'm going to. But I know that he is seen as a John. Even Asare Dokubo listed him among the Jaws that have governed the state. So I'll have to take what Asare, because he is the person on ground in River State. Asare Dokubo listed Fubara as a John, listed Nyesom Wike as Igbo. But Nyesom Wike himself has said that he's not Igbo in an interview with Delo Momodu. So when somebody said that he is not something, it's better organization that is committed to the interest of that group to just forget about him. Let him be whatever he say he is. So this video is basically to tell Ohanaeze to forget about Nyesom Wike, not to interfere in the matter. In fact, if Ohanaeze should be interested to make peace, for peace in Rivers State, Ohanaeze should be on the side of Rivers people. The Rivers people are with Simi Fubara. The Rivers people are in support of Simi Fubara. The Rivers people, speaking through the former governor of the state, Peter Odele, say that they are totally with Fubara. They say that Fubara is the political leader of Rivers State. And in that speech that Peter Odele made at the commissioning of a health center, Peter Odele said, wherever Fubara goes, they will go with him. They are with him. That is where Ohanaeze should be, on the side of Fubara. There is no... Ohanaeze should not be involved in anything concerning making peace between Fubara and Nyesom Wike. Nyesom Wike should be allowed to play the game the way he like. But the important thing is for Ohanaeze to be on the side of Rivers people. And the side of Rivers people is the side of Simi Fubara. That is what they should be talking about. I'm not talking about trying to settle them as if it is a family affair. There's no basis for settlement. The people of Rivers State has taken a side. They're on the side of Fubara. And the side of Fubara is where most reasonable Nigerians are on. Because that is the side of the Constitution. That is the side of the law and order. That is the side of anti-godfatherism. That is the side of transparency and accountability. That is the side of anti-corruption. That is the side of Ohanaeze, led by Chief Emmanuel Iwuanyanwu, should be on, and not any other side at all. That's my view on this. That's my take. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.